Hello there, Bong Bitch Production here, giving you a quick beginner's guide in Function and Logic Pro X. This time about track alternatives. Here we go. Here I have a song with 3 tracks. First I show you how it works when you already have configured alternative tracks, and after that I show you how to achieve it. This part of the bass line I have created 3 different versions of. At the switch between the 3 versions I click here and choose between A, B or C versions. Now, to create an alternative version, I will go back to my tracks as it was before I configured it. By default, the track alternative icon is not visible. To enable it, you right-click on the track, configure track header, and down here you will find track alternatives. Now you have a new icon close to the track name. If you click and choose New, all recordings in that track will be deleted. But don't worry, the first alternative is still there. You see? Now I can undo by clicking Delete Inactive. More relevant is perhaps that you want to create an alternative with just this part of the track. So instead you choose Duplicate and then delete the part you want to alternate. Then you just record your new alternative version. Now you can switch between the different alternatives. I told you it was useful. Good luck and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe so you won't miss upcoming tutorials of basic function in Logic. See you next time. Cheers!